Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul, and thank you so much for all your support and love. If you are a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you're not yet watched this how to pick best intraday stock, please do watch that and watch all the other videos. And if you're liking to be a part of this channel, this family, then you can hit this subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. For the ones who wants additional services and personal training details, you can WhatsApp to our customer care team. 7892652481 is their number. For the ones who wants to open an account through us, you can click on the about section and open your account so that you will be added to my secret Telegram channel. Anyways, for the ones who have not yet opened, Upstock is giving a free trading account, so kindly open that for the month of September. So if you're watching this video in some other month, then just cross check with my latest videos if I have posted any announcement about free trading account, so you can also open whichever month you're seeing or later part of the year also. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's topic. So today we will talk about trend lines. So how to draw trend lines. So a lot of people ask me this question, sir, how do we draw this trend line for beginners? At least show us how to draw that we can start doing some analysis and just do some observation. So I thought I will just share this so that as part of your learning journey, you can also start off one by one. So now let's say a lot of traders, okay, considering let's say Maruti is a good company or Tata Motors is a good company, fundamentally they are very good. Now what this technical analyst will do, traders, technical analysis traders, what they will do, they will not just blindly enter into a stock just because someone says it's a good company or if the earnings of a company is good. They will do little bit of analysis, and based on that analysis and confirmation, they will take a position on these particular companies. Now one among that is one among that technical analysis is your drawing your trend lines. So trend lines will help you understand the trend. You will understand where is the support, where is the resistance. You will get to know where should I take advantage, where should I sell, where should I buy. All that confirmation you will get from this trend line. Now how do we draw this trend line? Let's take an example of Nifty 50 if you want. So let's say this is a chart of Nifty 50. You can draw lines, okay. So different people have different way of drawing lines. Few people touch the shadow lines, few people touch the body. Wherever the body is ended, they touch those lines and draw lines. So it's up to you how you do that. And to draw a line, okay, so you draw a line below and above. The lines which you draw below will become a support as and when the trend goes, and the lines which you draw up becomes a resistance also. Now how do we draw and how do others draw? Now anybody can draw anyhow, like this, like this, like this, anywhere you can draw lines, but I want to know how others also draw lines so that everyone can take advantage together. Now keeping that logic in mind, so what they draw is they take the lower lows. Now let's say if this is the low and this is the low, they will consider these two low, or they will consider this two low. So the lower lows they will consider and they will draw a line. At least 2 points should touch. So if 2 points are touching, the line is complete. Few traders take advantage with that line. One more other type of traders, what they are very safe, what they will do, they'll take a third confirmation on the same line. If a third time it is touching, then they will take confirmation that the line drawn is perfect, okay. Then they will wait for a breakout or whatever. Now I'll show you example in Zerodha. So if you're using Zerodha, you can see this example. If you're drawing in your own other trading accounts, you can just find it out. Now let's say I'm clicking on this draw option, and then I am clicking on horizontal. No, I need at least line for this. Yeah, so I can slant it out. I'm using line, okay. See this line, you can change the color, you can keep how much ever size you want, all that. Now let's say which color shall we keep? Let's say let's keep blue, smart trader color, somewhere like this, okay. So now what you can do, it's up to you how you draw. Either connect these two lines or you can connect these two lines and find out the lines. So let's say I'm drawing this with this, okay. So either you can draw like lines like this, all right, or else you can do a line like this, okay. Now in this at least two lines are touching, two times it is touching if you see, okay. So you can draw like this. Now doesn't mean that it should touch exactly or little bit. There will be few differences up and down. So you need to understand this is a zone buffer, up or down. little buffer will be there, but you can touch these lower lows or this low. Try to connect 3 lows if you want. You can touch and you can draw a line. Some few traders may draw a line like this also, touching all the lines. All right, now they will wait till this area. Now let's say you're drawing line here. Okay, so few traders draw like this. Now this can become your resistance. Now few traders take confirmation on 2-time touching. Now let's say I will try to make, I told you right, not exactly. So now see, in this case, how many times it has touched? It has touched here, again somewhere it has come near the resistance, again it has come near the resistance, again it has touched the resistance, now it is just near the resistance, right? So whenever it touches at least thrice, it is confirmed that this is the resistance. Okay, this is a strong resistance which will push the stock down. Okay, reversal can happen, or else what else will happen in a resistance? It will break out and they will, that's a buy point here. If it breaks out, the next day they will try confirmation and then they will take a buy on a stock. That will be on any stock. This is how they consider. Same way here also, if it is touching down, it is touching down, take support, take support. When it breaks down, that is when they take the advantage. Now doesn't mean this line will be the permanent, so you need to go with the current trend and touch all the latest highs and latest lows so that you are up to the trend, because market trend keeps changing. You cannot go with the previously, let's say somewhere in 2014-15 lines you are looking and you're waiting for those breakouts. No, you have to go according to trend. You need to keep changing your trend lines and then wait for those levels. Okay, now two ways people take advantage. Now you know this is the support because it is touching and going bouncing back, right? Reversal. So now they know that when it comes here, I will take a, if it is coming down, I will take a buy position because I know it will bounce back. Either the people, what they will do, once it breaks down, they will take a sell position here. Same way here also, now they will consider a sell position to dip down the stock, like how they have pushed the stock once, twice. There is a resistance here, 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 if you see here also. So almost most of the time it has reversed. So either here it can just touch and reverse, or if a proper breakout happens, the next day people take a position in this particular stock. So this is how you can draw trend lines. Now different people have different way of drawing, different hands have different, like now I am considering all these lines, maybe someone is considering different lines. All right, so it varies from different people to different people. So there is no 100% accuracy that this line is the perfect or this line is the perfect. This is one idea how you draw lines and you take advantage from those breakouts. The more time it touches a line, the stronger is that level. Okay, now this is touching so many times. This is a very strong resistance level. Okay, so the more it touches on a line, the more stronger it is, so that when a breakout happens, you can take advantage on that, or else you can take a reversal option also on those. So this is a basic idea of a trend line. Okay, now I'm not doing a support and resistance exact ones like how I do a horizontal line up and down. Not that type of line. This can be any type of formation. Now people draw this as flag and angles, triangles, and all those things they draw, and there are different names for those they have named, and you can read through Google that what happens, or I will try to make video for you one by one, that one formation, how the breakout happens, how the advantage can be taken. I will slowly do videos for you guys, but as a beginner this is more than enough for you. Start practicing now, start drawing lines on most of the stock. Take some good stock always, not for basically intraday. Yes, in intraday also you can observe for 3 minutes or 5 minutes chart, but basically for short term and long term you can definitely apply this technical analysis and observe the breakouts, how it is happening, how much percentage it moved from your breakout, how much advantage we can take in the future. So start practicing slowly so that in the future when I make more videos you will have a better understanding. So hope this type of video is helping you guys. If it is helping you guys, hit that like button and go and hit that subscribe button without any miss. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.